Coughing and phlegm are common respiratory symptoms. Certain herbs provide natural relief for these symptoms. Herbs can soothe the respiratory system through expectorant properties. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects are also found in various plants. Ginger and honey combine anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. This combination effectively alleviates cough symptoms. It also helps to loosen phlegm, aiding in respiratory relief. Prepare by simmering sliced ginger in water for 10 minutes. Add honey to the mixture and drink it warm 2 to 3 times daily. Thyme tea is a natural remedy known for its expectorant properties. Thyme contains compounds that help to clear mucus from the airways. To prepare, steep dried thyme leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea to remove the leaves before drinking. Drink the tea several times a day to reduce coughing and congestion.